Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the major indexes here, starting off with the S&P 500, working our way to the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, as well as the IWM Russell 2000. And I'm going to give my analysis and my thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis, as well as hopefully some profitable trade ideas here on the market itself. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get once you sign up with your free 7-day trial. That's right, it's absolutely free to sign up and become a member and start receiving these winning profitable trade alerts that our current members are loving and getting on a daily basis. Once you get to know us a little bit better, you can scroll down here and choose whichever membership option suits your needs the best. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you with your trading. Alright, so let's take a look at the S&P 500. We're looking at this downtrend line. I really want to focus on the downtrend line. This is very, very short term, all right? If you've been watching these videos, you know that overall the chart here from a long-term perspective is still very, very bullish. But here in the short term, we've got downtrend. We've got high here, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high right here, lower low, lower low, lower low. So very short term. The past about 3 weeks we've been in a downtrend, and you can see clearly, we're below the 20-period simple moving average. All right, so we broke below it here, and then we came up, got rejected by it, as well as the downtrend line, and here we are once again. So we've got a little bit of work to do in the short term for the S&P 500 to kind of work off these very short-term downtrend conditions. Touching on the Dow Jones, notice how the Dow Jones is a little bit more higher and tighter. Didn't really experience the kind of drop that the S&P 500 got, and to me what that signals is that if the market decides to really make a move upwards, the Dow Jones and the 30 stocks within the Dow Jones is going to be the place to play that, just because of how high and tight we are. Look at this bull flag. All right, we're just high and tight, very tight pattern. So when you trade tight like this and sideways, so that's what I mean by tight, is sideways trading and not a lot of movement. So this would be a lot of movement, but right here we're just pinging back and forth between a very tight range. What that means is it's building up energy for the next move. Will it be higher? Will it be lower? We don't know yet. But what I can tell you is if it is higher, we're going to see a very, very nice breakout on the Dow Jones if we can clear that 215 level. But we have the indicators here trending down, not really signaling any kind of a turn up. We've got RSI trending down as well, and we're back below the 50 mark on the Dow Jones. So getting some mixed signals here. We've been getting a little bit of choppiness here in the market, but overall, I like to focus on price. We're above the 20-period simple moving average. Overall, a very bullish chart here. You can see that, very bullish, and more than likely it's going to continue to the upside. So pay attention to this flag pattern for a breakout continuation. The next one we're going to take a look at is the Nasdaq. And the Nasdaq had a little bit of a false breakdown here on Thursday of last week, and we had a continuation day on Friday. Today we had a continuation day as well, made a higher high, higher low. If we do see some lower prices, we've still got a lot of support down here at 61.10, 61110, and so you want to look for bounces here. We've got resistance up here at about 63.08, but overall a bullish action here. We broke this little short-term downtrend line for the Nasdaq, but again, we're still below the 20-period simple moving average. All right, still below that kind of midterm trend indicator that I like to use here. The next one we're going to take a look at is the IWM. IWM, again, as well below the 20-period simple moving average, but we have support here, like we've been mentioning. We got a nice bounce off of this support around 139, 139.50. You can see his previous lows there, right here, and right here on today's action actually almost hit that level as well. So we've got support here. If we close below this support, I believe that we'll see a nice move to the downside. So pay attention to this level here on IWM about 139. If we close below 139, we're going to see a nice move down, probably come down and retest, 135, I'd say 133, around these levels. We already broke this short-term uptrend line. I'm not putting a ton of weight on that uptrend line just because it's a pretty steep angle and it's very hard to maintain that angle. But it did break that trend line. It did gap down here, so it showed some weakness, some vulnerability. But again, to me, the real break would occur if we break that 139. So right now we're still in the clear here on IWM, but 139 is going to be that level that you want to be focusing on for the IWM. Again, guys, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it, as always. Again, if you like these videos that we do for you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership you get once you sign up with your free 7-day trial. Once you sign up with that free trial, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that you've seen us post publicly many times before. Have a great night, and I will see you next time.